Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future with a review of the 2024 Nissan Altima, with its cutting-edge features and stylish design. This car is setting new standards in the midsize sedan category. Let's take a closer look. First impressions matter, and the 2024 Altima certainly delivers. Its bold, athletic stance is accentuated by striking lines and a dynamic front grille, giving it a sporty yet sophisticated look. LED headlights and taillights not only enhance visibility but also add a touch of modern elegance. After a subtle restyle and some equipment upgrades for 2023, the 2024 Nissan Altima makes one minor digital change: Nissan Connect services, which enables features like remote locking, remote engine starting, and emergency calling, is included with a 3-year trial instead of a 6-month trial. Rumor has it that the Altima and its little brother, the subcompact Versa, will only stick around for another couple years. Every Altima save the SRVC turbo comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine making 188 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque. The turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder in the range topper makes 248 horses when drinking premium gas. Every Altima shifts through a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT. The CVT robs the fun of using the paddle shifters on equipped trims, but this isn't the kind of car one should be pushing that hard anyway. The Altima scores fine on almost all its dynamic tests. Steering is precise for the segment, braking is prompt and linear. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder succumbs to unruly engine noise when asked to deliver more than predictable, unremarkable acceleration. A comfy ride on the 16 or 17-inch wheels maintains its composure over road imperfections and wobbly pavement. The big dose of extra power in the VC turbo engine makes the Altima significantly quicker. However, even with the sportiest suspension, the Altima is never as fun to drive as the less powerful Accord, and the 19-inch wheels that add grip on twisty roads also reduce the ride quality. The Altima hit 60 miles per hour in 7.6 seconds in air testing. With the turbocharged 2.0-liter and front-wheel drive, the Altima is far speedier, hitting 60 miles per hour in just 5.9 seconds. The Altima has long made lofty fuel economy part of its appeal to car shoppers, the sedan doing so without resorting to a hybrid or plug-in hybrid powertrain. In standard front-wheel drive configuration, the base 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine is able to get an EPA estimated 27 mpg city and 39 highway in the S and SV trims. With all-wheel drive, those EPA estimates drop to 26 mpg city and 36 mpg on the highway. The turbocharged 2.0-liter gets an EPA estimated 25 mpg city and 34 mpg on the highway. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, part of our extensive testing regimen, the all-wheel drive Altima achieved 35 mpg. The VC turbo version recorded a notable 37 mpg. The only low spots inside, and they're not that low, appear where the Altima pretends to be more than it is: the flat cotton steering wheel and faux carbon fiber interior trim on our SV tester, for instance, were a bit much for a sedan with modest power. A CVT, no paddle shifters, and no drive modes. Same for the aggressive lumbar support on the otherwise inviting front seats. The cabin is otherwise every bit as comfortable and agreeable as the driving experience. User-friendly. Switchgear docks the straightforward dashboard. Interior materials vary among trim levels, but there are no disappointments. That's a triumph, considering how often hard plastics in some cars turn into sore spots for the eyes and the limbs, and even luxury makers occasionally get them wrong. There's decent storage up front, with narrow, albeit deep, door pockets and a useful tray on the center console. Large rear seats provide plenty of legroom. Unfortunately, the Nissan's rear seats don't fold completely flat, and they must be released using handles in the trunk, which is inconvenient. We fit 6 carry-on bags in the Altima's trunk and 17 bags total with the rear seats folded. The Altima's standard 8.0-inch touchscreen has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. The infotainment interface has a customizable main menu but otherwise few personalization options, while the sound system has useful knobs for volume and tuning. The touchscreen we tested responded slowly to inputs, Altima SL and Senior get a 12.3-inch touchscreen with navigation, wireless phone charging, and Wi-Fi hotspot. Standard. The bigger screen is optional on SV models. The price of the 2024 Nissan Altima starts at $27,510 and goes up to $37,210 depending on the trim and options. So, what's the verdict? The 2024 Nissan Altima impresses on all fronts, from its eye-catching design to its advanced features and enjoyable driving dynamics. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend adventure, this car delivers style, comfort, and performance in spades. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the future of driving. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, drive safe.